Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to another video and our upcoming forecast. My name is Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all some of the updates in the financial markets. Today is 6th of December, right? And I'd like to actually talk about the US dollar, which actually traded lower against all of the major currencies on Tuesday. As you could see here, the US dollar has been weakening and and this broad-based decline is basically a reflection of the U.S. Market concern about how the U.S. political and economic landscape could change in the next 24 to 48 hours. There are two Senate runoff elections in Georgia that will determine which party remains control the Senate. Polls close at 7 p.m. Eastern time, but if it's very close, but it may be hours or day before the final results are known. These Senate elections are important because they determine what type of policies will be passed over the next 4 years. The Democrat candidates Raphael Warnock and John Ossoff win. The Senate would be eventually evenly split between Republicans and also the Democrats candidates, right? So, giving Vice President-elect Kamala Harris the tie-breaking vote, that will be another mainstream of the light, right? Under a blue Senate, President-elect Joe Biden would have a much easier time passing a major stimulus package and fund it with higher taxes. If Warnock and Ossoff win, look for a knee-jerk sell-off in currencies and equities too. So we got to see what's going to happen to the stock market as well, right? So if just one Republican candidate wins, currencies and equities should extend their gains, right? So now that's what we're looking into. And also electoral vote will be counted by the Congress, which is today on Wednesday, right? And we'll see what happens later on. We also have got FOMC meeting minutes that will take a seat of all these political developments. We know that the Federal Reserve is dovish and there is very little reason for its stance to change, right? So we'll see what happened to US dollar. We'll see, guys. US dollar has been extremely weakening, right? It has been extremely oversold, also weakening, like crazy. You see, this is what has happened. But I see that it is also reaching to a very close near-term support that could change its fate. So let's wait and see what happens tonight, and we will watch closely the outcomes. But I would see this kind of a double top. If this level is broken, then there is a very massive sell-off that we could see in the US dollar, because you see here, see this level, if you see here, this is a support, this is some sort of a double top. I would see that that is developing, but you see from here to here, right? And then from here to let me just see, from here to there, all right? So we could see all the way up and all the way down. If these levels are broken, like I'm just mentioning here, you see from here, and then the other one I will see is this one, all right? And then if you could see here, from here to here, all right? Now, thus, if these levels are going to be broken, especially this support, guys, which is a very strong support, right? Then we're gonna see a crazy sell-off in US dollar, right, all the way down. So we will monitor closely that whether it's going to rebound from here or it's going to keep falling. Let's watch closely. Any updates we will be keeping notified. On the other hand, Dow Jones Industrial Average, it had a major sell-off, and then actually it is starting to recover. I would see that still it is an uptrend. Now we have got election of Georgia, and like I mentioned earlier, who will take it? So hopefully Republicans will win, and then we will see that this is gonna be more to the upside. But overall, the pattern is giving us bullish sign, right, guys? This morning I saw that cryptocurrency broke the level and it has gone to 35,000, right? According to our forecast, it has been trending. When I see that this is extremely overbought, getting on this is extremely crazy bullish moves. Well, let's wait and see what it is going to do next, because I think it's getting really volatile, and any pullbacks will be buying opportunities, right? So keep an eye on that. Further updates will be notifying you. On the other hand, the rest of the analysis we'll keep it for later during our London session forecast. Till then, you guys stay tuned. We will be back again. Just quick some updates for you all for middle of the week. I really hope that everyone is enjoying a great week and having a great profitable week, right? We will be back again to bring you all more updates. Till then, you all stay tuned. Watch our London session and happy trading. Thank you very much, guys, for listening and being here.